Good evening, Tallahassee. So it was another rainy day here in the capital city, but that rain has helped to lower our temperatures. So as we can see, it's 84 degrees currently in Tallahassee. We are sitting at a 75-degree dew point and 75% humidity. As we start looking at those dew points across the regions, and the dew point is really what tells us how muggy it feels. And generally speaking, anytime that we see dew points over the 70 degrees, it's muggy. So as you can see across the region, we have that humid, icky, sticky feeling. As we start talking about the radar, though, we can see that there was a lot of storm activity across the region. Most of what we saw here in Tallahassee happened earlier in the afternoon. All of those storms moving up north and to the east. And as you can see, there still is a little bit of storm activity happening just to the east of us. If we talk about why these storms have developed, we need to talk about the Bermuda high and an extension of the trough from this mid-Atlantic low. So the combination of these two things has allowed a lot of the storm activity to develop and to flourish really in the southeast and across the eastern seaboard. And the combination of these two things will linger around and hang out with us throughout the rest of the week. If we start to talk about the storms that we have seen today, we can see as we put this into motion that we've seen a bit of storm activity. This radar is a little misleading though, because we did see some storm activity across the entire southeast. And as we start looking into tomorrow morning, there is going to be that storm activity still. And that storm activity is going to hang out with us through Wednesday as well. If we start talking about through our tonight's forecast, we can expect to see 75 degrees as our low temperature. Those showers are going to hang out and linger around until the sun goes down, because the sun is the fuel for those storms that we're seeing right now. It will still be muggy, and we are expecting the clouds to hang out with us throughout the night. If you're trying to plan out your day for tomorrow, try and take advantage of the morning if you can. We are expecting most of those thunderstorms to really flare up in the afternoon. 93 degrees is our expected high, 60% chance of that rain and thunderstorms throughout the day. And as we start to talk about going to the beach, like I said earlier, if you're going to do it in the morning. If you're going to make it out to the beach, do expect there to be a bit of cloud cover, so it probably won't be as sunny as you're hoping. But with that being said, there is still a high UV index. The UV still cuts through the clouds, so make sure you put that sunscreen on and you are drinking that water. If you want to try and plan out your week, it's going to be pretty much the same as today. We are expecting 60% chance of rain tomorrow as well as Wednesday. That chance of rain is going to dwindle down into the 50s for Thursday and Friday. We're looking at 40% chance of rain for Saturday, mid-90s across the board.